one and all here. Let me introduce myself to you. I am P. Kritish Ganeshkar of 8th B. Today I am going to tell few points about Ramanujam. Srinivasa Ramanujam was one of the India's greatest mathematician genius. He made a substantial contribution to analytic theory of numbers and worked on elliptic function, continued fraction and infinite series. Srinivasa Ramanujam was born on 22nd December 1887 Erode. His father Kuppusamy Srinivasa Iyengar, originally from Tanjavur district, worked as a clerk in a sari shop. 1729. The Hardy Ramanujam number is the smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. The sum of the two cubes 9 and 10. Cubes of 10 is 1000 and the cube of 9 is 729. Adding the two numbers result in 1729. Finally, Srinivasa Ramanujam was died in 26 April 1920 in Kumbakonam district. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Vedashri and I am from AP. Today I am going to tell about Srinivasa Ramanujam. The great Srinivasa Ramanujam took birth on December 22 in the year 1887 in Erode, situated in the city of today's Tamil Nadu. He read mathematics voraciously and started developing his own research in isolation in the beginning. Srinivasa Ramanujam was not a dialectic. He was a self-taught person and never had any formula trainings in mathematics. He first solved the formal and regular mathematics when he was 10 years old. When he was at school, he received several merit certificates and academic awards. Srinivasa Ramanujam had greatly contributed towards mathematical analysis, number theories, infinite series and continued fraction. In the year 1913, Srinivasa Ramanujam had came contact with the European mathematics for further developing his knowledge and interest towards mathematics. He also elected for various society organized for debates and discussion on mathematics. He also started exchanging letters with the world famous mathematician G.H. Hartley and ultimately moved to England in the year 1914. He spent around 5 years at Cambridge and issued a number of papers during his stay there. For his memorable and great contribution towards mathematics, the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujam was declared as the National Mathematics Day in the year 2012. The year 2012 was celebrated as the National Mathematics Day across the country, India, for the first time. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. Let me introduce myself to you. I am S.K. Kamaleshwar from grade 8B. I am here to give a speech on Srinivasa Ramanujam. Srinivasa Ramanujam, the man who reshaped the 20th century mathematics with his various contributions in several mathematics domains, including infinite series, game theory, number theory, and continued fraction, leaving this world at youthful age of 32. Nobody can match in their lifetime like Srinivasa Ramanujam. Srinivasa Ramanujam's contribution extends in mathematical fields such as infinite series, game theory, number theory, and complex analysis. In 1914, Srinivasa Ramanujam found a formula for the infinite series of pi, which was used basics of many algorithms used today. Finding an approximate accurate of pi is the most important challenge faced in history of mathematics. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is R. Hemavardhani. I am from class 8B. My topic is Ramanujam. Ramanujam contributed extent to the mathematical fields such as complex analysis, number theory, infinite series and continued fraction. In 1914, Ramanujam found a formula of many algorithms used today. In 1976, Ramanujam is also known as the Ramanujam, which is the sum of the two numbers of cubes 10 and 9. One of the notebook of Ramanujam was discovered by George Andrew in 1976 at library at Trinity College in 1976. Thank you.
Good morning, Honorable President. My name is Yashrohit. I am from 8th B. Today I am going to talk about Srinivasa Ramanujam. Srinivasa Ramanujam was born in southern India in 1887. Srinivasa Ramanujam was a mathematical genius who made numerous contributions in the field, namely in number theory. The importance of his research continues to be studied and inspires mathematicians today. After contracting tuberculosis, he returned to India. Finally, he died in 26 April at 1920. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Jessie Priya, Department of Mathematics. Mathematics is a very interesting subject, but many students are struggling with multiplication tables and multiplication. Now I am here to share a trick about multiplication. We can take two digits numbers, that is 23 and 14. We can multiply using a simple trick. We can take first 23 as a number. First we can draw a line here. 23, first number is 2, therefore we can draw a line, 2 lines. Next we can take 3, that is we can draw 3 lines in down. Now we can take another 2 number 14. We can draw a first number 1 as this side. Next we can take 4, therefore we can draw a 3 plus 1, 4 lines we can draw here. Next we want to divide into 3 portions. First portion is this one and second portion is the center one, third portion is the last one. First we can add the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore answer is 12. We can take here 12, but we can write only one number here. We want to carry over the next number to the next point. Therefore 1 will be carry over to next number. It can add plus 1. Next we can take this portion. We can add all the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Already we have 1 plus 1. Therefore it will be 12. Here also we can have 2 numbers. First we can take 2 only. Next this one carry over to next point. That is plus 1. We can add last portion, that is 2 numbers here. 1, 2. Here will come 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore answer is we got 322. The answer is 322. This is an easy trick to multiply. Then we can take multiplication tables. Multiplication tables, in 9th table we can add using the fingers. We can take our 10 fingers here. Next we can take 1 9 is 9. 1 9 is 9 means we can start from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can take 1 9 is 9. 1 9 means we want to fold last one number. This is called 9 fingers are there. Therefore 1 9 is 9. Then we can take 2 9s are 18. We can fold the next fingers. It will get 1 is here, 8 fingers are here. Therefore 1 is the first digit, 8 is the second digit. Therefore we get 2 9s are 18. Next we can take 3 9s are, we can fold the third finger here. We can find here 2 fingers and here 7 fingers are there. This is the first digit 2 fingers and second digits are 7 fingers. Therefore answer is 27. This is 3 9s are 27. Then 4 9s are here 3 fingers 3, then here 6 fingers, therefore it is 36. Next finger, it is 4 9s are. 4 9s are 36, we have already seen. It is a 5 9s are 45. Here 4 finger, here 5 finger. Therefore 45. Next 6th finger, it can make 54. Next 7th finger, it can make 63. Next 8th finger makes 72. Next 9th finger makes 81. 10th finger makes 90. This is the multiplication tricks in 9th table. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Happy Mathematics Day.